For this video, I'm going to knit this colorful sweater. At first, I was actually knitting a striped one for my friend. After finishing, I think it's so cute. So I decided to make one for myself too. But for this sweater, I didn't record as a tutorial. Just a chill video of me knitting in the park and at home. This is a secret base I found lately. It is a park which is not too crowded and it's free to enter. So I just spent an afternoon there knitting and meeting with my friend. Didn't do much there though. I adjusted the stitches and measurement. Finished casting on. And knitted a bit. After the sun went down, I called it a day. And I finished the rest of the sweater at home, cause the weather was so bad, but luckily I have my cat with me. Glad it was a quick project, since I used 10mm knitting needle and it is a thick yarn, so it didn't took me long to finish the body part. After sewing the shoulder line together, we can see the shape already. And the sleeves are a no-brainer. Basically pick up stitches and knitting around till reaching the ideal length. And that's it. Hope you enjoyed the video, and if you do, please like and subscribe. I will see you next time. Bye!